Hi friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts, and today I've just been playing around with a few of our Tumbling Tower Blocks from the Dollartree again. So what I'm doing today is I have taken I have taken 8, 4 and 4 on top of 4, and I have glued them together and I have painted them white. And I'm going to make myself a little bee gnome. Then I took 2 more little blocks and I glued them together and I painted them yellow, and that's going to be what he's going to stand on. Then I found this at the Dollar Tree. It's a duster, three-piece duster, and I thought that would maybe look cute for his little beard. So, excuse me, it comes looking like this, and there's 2 little parts here that you can pull apart carefully and separate. So then what I did was I just took a couple little pieces and I put it on my little wooden block like that. Then I put another one up on top, just above it, just a wee bit higher. Then I'm going to glue that on, and I'm going to glue on his little yellow nose. I'll glue him to my stand, and then I've made him a little hat out of felt. So I'll put the hat on top of all of this with his little nose stuck in under, like so. And that's going to be my little gnome, my little bee gnome. So what I did, I have red felt here for this one, but I have got it folded over to like 2.5 inches, folded, that measures 2.5 inches. Then I just took my scissors and I just cut up the shape of a hat. Then I glued it on the inside with the right sides facing. I've glued this down, and then I've turned it right side out. Then I put a piece of black felt around the bottom, and I started where the glued side meets, took it all the way around, and I finished it where the glue sides meet. Then I'm going to take a little white pom-pom, and I'm going to put that on the tip of his hat. So I'll come back when I've got this all glued together. And here he is, all finished. Isn't he cute? So if you like this quick little tutorial on how to make a little bee gnome out of our Dollar Tree Jenga blocks, please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and always remember to be kind. Thanks for watching. Bye now.